Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate spot for fun, effective and totally doable workouts that bring real results right from the comfort of your home. If you've been dreaming about sculpted flat abs not just for the looks but for core strength, better posture and that confident feeling, then you're in the perfect place. In today's video, I'm walking you through 10 powerful at-home exercises that require zero equipment, zero excuses, and just a little space and determination. These aren't your average crunches. We're talking full core activation, calorie burning, waistline shrinking moves you'll actually enjoy doing. And trust me, by the end of this video you'll be feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to crush your fitness goals. Stick with me until the end because I've got a surprise challenge you won't want to miss, plus I'll be shouting out one of you from the community. Let's dive in and start building those flat, fierce abs. Exercise 1. High knees. Let's kick things off strong with high knees, a powerful cardio core move to fire up the entire body. Stand tall, lift your knees toward your chest one at a time and move fast. Keep your core tight, chest lifted and arms pumping like you're running in place. This move targets your lower abs, hip flexors, and also boosts your heart rate to help melt fat fast. It's not about speed alone, it's about intention. Each knee drive should feel like a mini crunch. Stay light on your feet, focus on strong posture, and imagine pulling your abs in tighter with every rep. Keep it up, you're already turning up the heat. Exercise 2. Reverse crunch. Now let's hit the lower belly directly with the reverse crunch, a total lower ab killer. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet off the floor. Slowly lift your hips as you pull your knees in toward your chest, then lower with control. This one deeply targets the lower abs, especially the area many people struggle to tone. Breathe out as you lift and imagine curling your abs inward like you're trying to roll up a towel. Keep your hands flat by your sides, avoid swinging your legs, and think slow as strong. You're not just moving, you're sculpting. Exercise 3. Plank to knee tap. Time for core control with plank to knee taps, a small movement that packs a big punch. Start in a solid plank position. Now gently tap both knees to the ground, then raise them back up. This activates your entire core, including your deep transverse abdominis, and builds essential stability and balance. Stay centered, keep your back flat, and imagine zipping up your abs like a tight corset. No rocking side to side, the less movement the more your core is working. Hold strong, you've got this. Exercise 4. Bicycle crunches. Time to twist it out with bicycle crunches, a must-do for carving out definition. Lie back, lift your legs and move elbow to opposite knee in a slow, controlled pedaling motion. You'll feel this one light up your obliques, upper abs and lower abs all at once. Don't rush, the slower the movement, the deeper the engagement. Twist like you're trying to wring out your abs and breathe through each rep. That burn? That's the sign of sculpting in progress. Keep turning. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Let's get into full control mode with leg raises, one of the best moves for the lower core. Lie flat, legs straight. Slowly lift them toward the ceiling, then lower without letting your back arch. This strengthens your lower abs and improves control and flexibility in your core. Keep your movements smooth and your back pressed into the ground the entire time. Focus on tightening your core as your legs lower like you're resisting gravity with your abs. Feel the shake? That's power building from within. Exercise 6. Mountain climbers. Let's turn the heat up with mountain climbers, a high-intensity combo of cardio and core. Start in a plank. Drive your knees forward one at a time like you're sprinting on the floor. This works your entire core, plus it shreds calories and builds endurance fast. Move fast but stay in control. Every knee drive should feel intentional, not wild. Keep your hips low and your shoulders stacked over your wrists. Breathe and push. Your heart's racing, your core's on fire. This is where results happen. Exercise 7. Flutter kicks. Now onto flutter kicks, a deceptively simple move with serious impact. Lie back, lift your legs a few inches off the ground, and kick them up and down quickly in a fluttering motion. This targets the lower abs, hip flexors, and helps improve core endurance. Press your back into the mat, engage your abs, and keep your legs long and straight. Imagine your legs slicing through the air, light, fast, and full of strength. It burns, but that's the transformation at work. Exercise 8. Russian twists. Let's carve those sidelines with Russian twists. Sit tall, lean back slightly and twist side to side, touching the floor on each end. Want more intensity? Lift your feet or hold a weight. This move lights up your obliques and strengthens rotational control. Stay focused and keep the motion tight and smooth, no jerking or rushing. Imagine squeezing your side waist with every twist like you're sculpting your core by hand. Feel that fire in your sides? That's your waistline tightening. Exercise 9. plank hold. Sometimes the hardest move is to stay still. Welcome to the plank hold. Elbows down, body flat like a board, abs tight and glutes squeezed. This move builds core stability, spinal support, and full body tension. Don't let your hips drop or rise too high. Stay locked in and breathe. Imagine drawing your belly button up and in like you're trying to touch your spine. Hold it, own it, become unshakable. Exercise 10, VUPS. Let's end strong with the ultimate full core finisher, VUPS. Start lying down. Simultaneously lift your arms and legs to meet in the middle, forming a V shape. This hits your upper abs, lower abs, and builds explosive core strength. Reach for your toes with power but stay controlled. Imagine folding your body with force like a hinge snapping into place. This is your last move. Leave nothing in the tank. Finish like a beast. You did it. 10 killer exercises for flatter, stronger, more defined abs, all from home, all without equipment. Now it's your turn to rise up to the challenge. I dare you to repeat this workout 3-week for the next 2 weeks and drop a comment below with challenge accepted if you're in. And don't forget, your fitness journey doesn't end here. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another workout drop. We've got tons more routines coming your way, from fat burning hit to sculpting your dream core arms and glutes. Comment below which move was your favorite and which one burned the most. Until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and remember, you're just one workout away from a better mood, a better body, and a better you. See you in the next one.